Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, tow hitch, hill descent control, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.